Good evening gentlemen. In this video I will show how the app Augmented Arduino will work. This app is for Android and will help you make your Arduino car which you have made using an L298 motor controller fully autonomous with the help of augmented reality. This augmented reality is provided in the form of package by Google AR Core, and as you can see, here are the list of the Bluetooth devices which I have paired previously. I am interested in HC05, which is the Bluetooth module attached to my Arduino, which will be providing the appropriate signal to the motor controller. So here it is. Here is my Bluetooth module. Here I can simply connect it by simply tapping on it. As you can see, it is connected and the Bluetooth module is blinking slowly. So now, how to navigate your car? So basically it works. You simply need to scan the floor around you and it will detect for the plane surfaces. So as you can see, it has detected one plane surface here. So I will place the Android bot here. So now what this app will do is that this will provide an appropriate PWM signal value to the left and the right motor according to the angle to this bot, and we'll try to minimize the error and we'll try to navigate it to the bot at a distance of approximately 0.3 meter away from it, that is approximately 25 centimeter in including the error which will be encountered as it is not accurately correct. So now I will show you the test cases. Once you can simply start the navigation by simply clicking on it. I will be showing that in the test case. In the test cases, I will be powering my Arduino through this cable, which is my printer cable, because the battery is not sufficiently charged enough to power the Bluetooth module, and in case it gets connected, but because of the voltage fluctuation when the signals are sent, the Bluetooth module get disconnected. So in the test case, I am powering the Arduino through my laptop, which is this, and also I will be connecting my phone in through this stand, but this is not the best way. The best way is to place the phone here in the center. You can make a wooden stand and place the phone here, but just for testing purposes I will be attaching it here and placing the phone here. So let's test it. See, I will place the bot near the door. So first it will scan for the floor. Here it has scanned the floor, and now I will place the bot here. And now I will try to navigate my bot here. Here I am starting the navigation. As you can see, the robot has estimated the position and now taking the clear shot with the board. Here you can see the robot is at a distance of 0.4 meter and hence it has stopped there. It was giving the specific velocity to the motors according to the angle to the board. So here it is, the robot has reached the destination. And here I will place the Android bot near this door in the second test case. So first I will scan the floor. So as you can see, I have placed the bot here, and now I will try to navigate my car to this bot. This way you can easily make your bot autonomous by simply downloading the Augmented Arduino app, and you can also cut short your expenses which you require in order to make an autonomous car, which are the sensors. You especially need a wheel encoder in order to do this, which is the least of all. And this bot is also very easy to make. I will be attaching the best tutorial link which is available in the internet, through which I have also taken the guidance in order to make this bot. And you can also make this. It is very simple. And I hope you like this video. And if you have any doubt, any doubt, you can just post it in the below comment section. I will definitely help you. So thank you guys. Thank you.